So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a pre-bid on Whatnot. So first of all, open up Whatnot. Once you've set up your account, you will see at the bottom Home, Categories, Sell, Activity, and Your Account. You can search at the top and you can see your notifications in the top right corner. Now in order to cancel a pre-bid, you will need to first create one. So let's go to a certain live stream. Through here, you will see the bid option at the bottom. Once you've clicked on bid, you will start with bidding on a certain item. So let's just exit that. After that, you will be taken to activity. Through here, you can see purchases, bids, offer, messages, and saved. Go to bids. Your bids will be popped up on here. So some pre-bid or bids will be there. Now, in order to delete or cancel it, you can delete the card on file and it won't go through. So if you've deleted a payment method before actually purchasing something, you can cancel that pre-bid as well. If it starts actually taking some funds from your card, you can always go to activity, go to purchases, and then cancel the purchase if it did go through. So there's a couple of things that you can do to prevent from actually buying something you changed your mind on. So first of all, it will be through the bids. You can cancel your pre-bids and active bids on here, and you can go to purchases after that and request cancellation, and it shouldn't actually take funds from your card. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Whatnot or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.